Welcome to the installation video of JioRouter. In this video, you will learn how to install the new Universal Jio Router. First, open the JioHome app and log in with your mobile number. Once you log in, tap on plus icon on the top right side of the screen to open Add Device menu. Next, Add Device menu would pop up. Select Wi-Fi Network Devices option. A QR code scanner will open. Now, scan the QR code of the device which is present on the back side of the device. You can also manually add the details. Post the successful QR code scan, tap on Yes, Continue to set up JioRouter for the new account. Power on the JioRouter. Now, connect the Ethernet cable between the LAN port of your existing modem or router to the blue WAN port of the JioRouter. Tap on Next to proceed further. Connection is in progress. It will take roughly about 3 to 4 minutes for the setup to complete. Once the device is added to the account, you will get a prompt to update your Wi-Fi name and password. Now your router is ready to use. How to set up PPPoE connection and update firmware. Post adding the router, you will receive the following screen of PPPoE connection. Kindly ensure that you have the PPPoE username and password details from your ISP. For JIDU6801 IN, you will be asked to update the firmware. Please follow the steps for the update. Please note that you will need mobile data connection for downloading the firmware update. Firmware update would take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to install on the router. Create a new password for admin login and proceed to set up PPPoE connection. Enter your PPPoE username and password. Tap on Connect to complete the router setup. In case of any failure or error, you can always retry configuration by tapping Network, then tap Wi-Fi option and finally configure PPPoE. In case you forget your JioRouter password, you can reset it manually by pressing the reset button present at the back of the device. Please note, all existing connections would get disconnected and fresh setup would be needed. So, we have understood how to install the new Universal Jio Router and how to set up PPPoE connection and update firmware in this video. In case of any issue, please refer to the QSG supplied with the device or reach out to the Jio customer care. Thank you.